What?
Do that again.
That?
Ah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Get down. Took out everything on this path.
It's deep, huh? So there's other tracks here.
Somebody walked all the way to the edge up there.
Huh?
Somebody else's tracks all the way up to the
Yeah.
edge. Somebody else walked over there and started.
You know what? The trail continues over there on the other side.
I know, it goes up that way.
Huh. Well, that's where we need to get.
We're not getting over there, dear.
You want to try it?
No.
Come on.
No.
Where's your faith?
I'm not that fun.
You're not that fun.
I'm crazy, but not that crazy.
Well, you're crazy. That's all we need. Look, we could probably ramp it right there.
Okay, you do it first, and then I'll follow.
All the way across to there where the trail continues.
It's a dead end. Gotta turn around.
Ah. Doggone avalanche. Ruining our fun.
Okay.
You want to crank it? Give it a start?
Well, let's turn it first. Before we turn it on, let's turn it around.
All right.
You can pick it up.